One thing I like about Yolanda is that she is so confident. Like, guys, just look at her. Look at her. Like, she is so confident. Like, hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. So, guys, Yolanda. Y'all know Yolanda who she is. Y'all know who she is. So, she was having dinner in Cape Town with Rick Ross, guys. Rick Ross. You, Hashem, she is doing the most, so she's putting her name out there, now now the world is going to even recognize her even more. All I wanted to say is just that, you know what, support me, guys. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe, support your girl, man. You know I'm your girl. I always got you, you know. Okay, guys, bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.